Hello everybody, welcome back to Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I will show you how to see your likes on Facebook. So let's start the video. Open the Facebook and click on the menu bar. After that, tap on the gear icon to open the settings option. Here scroll down and under your activity, click on activity log. Now again scroll down a bit and expand interaction. Click on like and reactions. So here is a list of all your likes and interactions on Facebook. I hope this video helped you out. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.